young lady. I'm Minos by name. Baby, I'm talking to you. You just kept on walking.
Yes, how may I help you, young man? Where do you know me? What's happening?
Baby, I've been seeing you all the time walking around here. You are such a figurative girl. It's not quite surprising. Today's evening, I fell in love with you. When I saw you passing, I can't just control my feelings. I'll be very happy if we can be in relationship. I love you beyond imagination.
What a funny day. Excuse me, when did we start kissing that we are getting pregnant? When did bike start telling plane it can move faster than it does? Excuse me, young man, you didn't check your class? Luminous, or what do you call your name?